This film will astound you. BlackRock, the biggest firm in the world, is reportedly trying to acquire XRP Ripple currency valued at $27 trillion. This news spread online and startled everyone in the cryptocurrency community. The professionals could not disregard it either. They currently believe XRP might reach $73,000. That's very amazing, isn't it? See the complete video. Without any further bullshit, let us go directly to the topic. Benny, no. Rumors circulating this time have everyone focused on BlackRock and XRP. Among the largest and most powerful banks in the world is BlackRock. $10 trillion in assets under management. BlackRock's actions draw market attention. When it moves, speculation that it could be targeting XRP is generating significant community discussion. It all started with a flurry of tweets from well-recognized cryptocurrency figures. One from CryptoGeek said BlackRock will invest even more into XRP, stating $27 trillion. Another from King XRP stated BlackRock would deposit $9.7 trillion into XRP. Though only estimates not supported by any actual data, these large figures have generated fresh attention in a long-standing concept in the XRP community. BlackRock could be about to make a significant investment into XRP. A recent article by well-known critic altcoin Gordon, claiming he had lunch with a buddy at BlackRock, made matters even more dire. Clients with more than $50 million, 0 cents, are now openly inquiring about cryptocurrency exposure depending on what he mentioned. XRP appears to be a main focus of interest. Gordon hinted that significant XRP news was forthcoming, but did not specify what it was. Though it's crucial to consider the larger picture, many have said these allegations are only rumors. Nearly ended is the protracted legal battle between SRP and the SEC. Often clear rules are the final thing, preventing institutional investors from entering untapped areas. Should Ripple completely resolve its SEC dispute, major corporations such as BlackRock could be able to intervene free of legal concerns. Why then is BlackRock's involvement such a major concern? The most crucial factor is the ETFs. Some investors wish to enter digital assets, but do not wish to buy, store, or manage them personally. A spot ETF, or exchange-traded fund, simplifies this. A Bitcoin spot ETF, for instance, contains actual Bitcoin, and its shares trade on stock exchanges exactly like any other financial vehicle. Past BlackRock actions with spot ETFs speaks volumes. Since it started its Bitcoin ETF, it has witnessed more than $44 billion pour in. Its Ethereum spot ETF has now generated over $4.2 billion. Conversely, Franklin Templeton has struggled to obtain even a little portion of that sum. Their Ethereum ETF has just $36,500,000, and their Bitcoin ETF has only $250 million. The market thinks BlackRock and investors purchase something when it supports it. That is why those who own XRP are paying great attention. While BlackRock has been silent, Grayscale, Franklin Templeton, and Bitwise are all keen on investing in XRP products. That quiet, however, hasn't prevented industry insiders from speculating. Publicly, Nate Geraci, president of ETF Shop, has stated that BlackRock is anticipated to begin providing XRP ETFs at some time. When it does, it won't be to play second fiddle. Just like Bitcoin, it will aim to dominate. Should BlackRock seek an XRP ETF, it might significantly influence. Almost quickly, billions of dollars could pour into XRP. Hence, significantly pressuring its price to rise. Many people would buy and sell the currency. The financial elite would be certain it was genuine. Probably a new wave of institutional purchases would follow. XRP users are currently on hold. BlackRock might act after Ripple's case is finished. XRP and the more general integration of cryptocurrency into conventional finance could enter a new age with this. Naturally, news like this is not only noise, it is gasoline. Items that might set off the next major XRP increase. Oh, analysts and professionals are unstoppable. Some of their pricing forecasts are so outrageous that it's nearly difficult to trust them. But when BlackRock's name is involved, it seems like nothing is impossible. Thus, 25, a course awakes tweet that Binance has a significant XRP forecast and wants $600 per coin surprised everyone in the community. By alone, the figure would immediately alter the crypto wealth rankings. But that's not all. Many of XRP Dragon's followers continue to insist that XRP is not a joke coin, but rather something more. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, selling XRP now is the same as selling Amazon stock in February 2001. I appreciate the robust comparison. One lesson from history is that we often lose great chances if we don't trust in disruptive technology early on. King XRP then tweeted something interesting that drew much notice. $978 for every XRP in 2 days, the final indication. Initially, it would seem insane, but considering BlackRock's potential influence and the world after the SEC, these calls, no matter how audacious, start to become rather fascinating. XRP has always been liked by early adopters. Now the most outspoken advocates claim this might be the tipping point. Finance Bro, meanwhile, went even farther. An XRP will soon cost $2.50, then $10, and finally $35. That would call for a significant shift in the market unlike anything we have ever observed. But remember that the crypto sector has proved many times that it may surprise people. Things turned odd when the enigmatic figure, known only as Time Traveler, appeared. In a tweet that has gone viral, this nameless individual claimed $73,000 for every XRP, the most ludicrous yet. Certainly, $73. He went beyond mere speculation. He stated it with a movie star flair. Remember my face, please. Navy SEALs will keep an eye on my mountain property. His message has generated a movement rather than only a price target, and some individuals question if he is trying to profit or provoke conflict so the time traveler's dream may come true. XRP would have to rise more than 3,400,000%. That seems nearly impossible, but crypto is accustomed to the unthinkable. Consider Bitcoin. Back in 2010, it was worth relatively little. Now it costs more than $60,000. In the crypto market, belief, timing, and confidence are all rewarded. Still, even among the most hopeful forecasts, there is research that is more grounded. Everything stating topics like institutional acceptance and favorable macro conditions. XRP lately presented a reasonable strategy for how it may go $10 to $30. Well-known asset manager Bitwise, which oversees $12 billion, has also investigated how XRP might develop by 2030. Considering rules and the application of cross-border payment, what is now happening with XRP could alter anything. Thus, let's analyze this. Ripple isn't only interested in altering banking, it wants to control it. I promise you that you won't want to miss this. What is coming might be the finest historical indicator of hope for cryptocurrency. The current enthusiasm surrounding XRP is not only hype, it's founded on a concept that's rapidly materializing. David Schwartz, Chief Technical Officer of Ripple, articulated last week in one powerful statement all of it. We are truly about to have a lot of institutions adopt it. This is not speculation. Infrastructure has been established, strategic alliances have been created, and issues that have long troubled cross-banner payments and conventional finance have been resolved during the last many years. Schwartz said some really crucial points during his CoinDesk interview at the Ando Summit that addressed the core of the issue. Many in the cryptocurrency ecosystem believed for years that retail adoption